Hello, welcome back to Cesim Global Challenge of round to 2024-2025. The top 10 winning tips for all rounds. So we take round 1 as example, right? So you see here the winning tip number 3. Take the market outlook before we set any decision for any round. So setting decision is quite simple, but we need to check on the report so we have the data. You know the competitor, know the market, you know the customer, and then we can set the decision. So this is winning tip number 3. You can check the other video for winning tip number 1, number 2, and number 3 now on the 10 videos, right? So I show you the detail. You need to check the market outlook or market potential, right, to see the demand growth in USA about 10%, in Asia about 20%, in Europe 5%, right? Then you can see the details here. We put it here, and then you can calculate, see the increase in the demand. Last round 8,003, this round 9,001, increase 800. Last round 15.7, this round 18.94, increase a lot, right? 20%, right? About more than 3,000. And then here Europe increase not so much. So that's the market outlook. Remember this, and then we can calculate the potential increase of demand, and then you can adjust the production to meet the demand, right? Up and down. So if you have any question, you send the email to cesimhelp2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Take on the 10 video for 10 winning tips of round 1, but you can apply that for all rounds. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.